Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Gorilla Mode versus Nitric. We will explore the key differences between these two popular pre-workout supplements. Gorilla Mode provides a powerful energy boost with stimulants, while Gorilla Mode Nitric focuses on maximizing muscle pumps without any caffeine. Understanding their distinct formulations and benefits will help you choose the best option for your training goals. We will cover their unique ingredient profiles, how they impact your workout, and who each product is best suited for to ensure you make an informed decision. When we look at the core ingredients, Gorilla Mode typically offers a robust blend for energy and focus, featuring around 175 to 200 milligrams of caffeine per scoop. It also includes 5 grams of L-citrulline and 2.5 grams of creatine monohydrate. In contrast, Gorilla Mode Nitric is stimulant-free and designed for maximum pumps, delivering a hefty 10 grams of pure L-citrulline, 5 grams of creatine monohydrate, and 4 grams of glycerpump for superior hydration and blood flow. The performance benefits of these two pre-workouts are quite distinct. Gorilla Mode is known for delivering a powerful surge of energy and heightened mental focus, helping you push through intense workouts. It also contributes to increased muscle strength and endurance. On the other hand, Gorilla Mode Nitric excels at providing massive muscle pumps and improved vascularity by maximizing nitric oxide production. This leads to enhanced nutrient delivery to your muscles, supporting sustained endurance and reducing fatigue, all without any stimulant effects. Deciding between these two depends on your personal workout preferences and goals. If you thrive on high energy, laser-like focus, and a comprehensive performance boost, Gorilla Mode is likely your best choice, especially for morning or high-intensity sessions. However, if you are sensitive to stimulants, train in the evenings, or prioritize incredible muscle pumps and enhanced endurance without caffeine, then Gorilla Mode Nitric is the superior option. You can even stack Nitric with a lower stimulant pre-workout for a customized experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.